after 35 minutes we reached St. Mary's Island, and we will explore now. Good morning friends, third day to Udupi, and today we are going to explore St. Mary's Island. So from here Lighthouse Beach Resort, it is a 20 minutes journey, and again we need to go back to Malpe beach. From there actually the ferries are going, which will take some time, 30 minutes I think, to reach there. So let's go. So we reached here, Malpe Sea Walk. Yesterday it was like full crowd, full of car. Today hardly any cars. Let's see if the boat is going or not. Let's go and check it out. Sir, 2 tickets.
How many? 2.
2 adult, 1 kid.
2 adults, 1 kid.
Sir, card payment is set total?
Cash only.
Cash only. चलो careful Aishwan. Aishwan, front seat. You need to jump one boat after another. Last boat Aishwan. Go. चलो. So we all set to start the sail to St. Mary's Island. It will take maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Aishwan, you are ready? Yeah. Ready, right? Yeah. Okay. Boat service to St. Mary's Island starts around 9 o'clock in the morning, but they need at least 30 passengers to start the boat, and I suggest to reach little early, otherwise it gets too crowded. It takes 30 minutes to reach to the island, and in between you need to move from one boat to another one, because this boat was bigger in size, and they arranged a smaller boat, so all the passengers then moved to the smaller boat just to cover few hundred meters. And trust me guys, this 30-minute was awesome experience. This island, also known as Coconut Island, and Vasco da Gama first reached here in the year 1498, and he fixed a cross in one of this island and named it as Santa Maria, and that's how the island got the name. Once you reach at the island, they give 1 hour to explore around it, and you need to come back. If you want to spend more time, then you need to visit this island by hiring a private boat so that you can spend extra hours. So let's see how the island looks.
This is island. Okay. Islands means surrounded by water, sea. Okay. See how beautiful, and this is famous for this only. This rock formation. See how unique the rock formation is. This is formed by volcano. You know that, Ashman? Lava. Yeah. These are lava actually, and this is the unique. See the rock formation. Get into water is strictly prohibited. No swimming. So after 35 minutes we reached St. Mary's Island, and we will explore now. See Aishman, how many cells are there? Huh? There are only the cells, lots of cells. See how the clean water is. Wow. Beautiful clean water. See, looks like there is no sand at all. All like seashells only. And this is the uniqueness of this beach. This rock formation, right? Through this volcano lava. This is one of the unique here. Oh, matlab full neat and clean water. This is very neat and clean. So this island is actually consists of four small islands. I think North Island, South Island, and some two more other islands. The speciality here is the rock formation through that lava. What a beautiful island with wonderful rock formation, blue water. Excellent location. So don't you guys want to check a aerial view of this place? How the island looks like from the sky? So watch this. We took enough picture. Actually they allow 1 hour to stay here in this island, and just explore the surrounding. And if you want to check those pictures, you can follow the Instagram ID hashtag live to explore. And yeah, I think time to go back. We have 10 minutes left to reach to the boat, so let's go. Full of coconut trees actually, okay, and with this backwater view, it looks amazing. Very peaceful area.